Cooking lechon, be it a whole chicken, a whole pig, or a whole calf, has deep cultural significance in the Philippines. It's not just about food, it's about community, it's about hospitality, it's about celebrating special occasions together. In the olden times, people will gather around the roast and wait for it to cook and feast together along with friends, family, neighbors, the entire community, and even with strangers. That's why the lechon always holds a special place in our hearts. Ano ba yung paborito nyo? Ang paborito ko ay recipe ko! I will start by preparing yung ating palaman. Pound, ito, ang masarap sa lechon manok ay may tanglad. Etong white part, the bulb, is where all the flavor is at. Tatali lang natin siya into a knot. Sa Cebu, ang tawag dito ay inasal. No? Inasal pa rin yung tawag dito kahit whole chicken. And meron tayong leeks. Masarap to, I promise you. 4 cloves of garlic. Pamintang buo at star anise. Calamansi juice. Soy sauce. Pineapple juice. Annatto oil. Kung may chicken oil ka, pwede din. So that is our base marinade. Pati yung ating mga palaman sa ating chicken, magiging malasa. Ang ating chicken, yan, buo yan. Usually, inaasinan natin to, di ba? Para maging masarap, juicy. Instead of just salt, ang gagamitin natin para mas malinamnam at mas masarap, gamit ko dito ay isang chicken bouillon. Best dito yung Maggi Magic Chicken Cube dahil eto, tingnan mo, madali mo siyang i-crumble, no? Hindi siya yung nagiging paste, no? Nagiging pulbo siya. Maglalagay din ako ng aking black pepper. So, ito yung magiging base ng aking brine. Additional black pepper lang. Inside and outside. Very important. Ito, sobrang dinamnam, sobrang sarap ng ating chicken. If you have time, mas maganda to na gawin mo siya overnight. Yan. At kung maluluto mo siya sa uling, oh my God, talaga yung sarap nito. But for now, ang gagamitin natin dito ay air fryer. Yan. Look at that. Oh. So, ito yung ating sahog na ilalagay sa loob ng ating chicken is already marinating. Oh, parang marinate din natin yung ating palaman dito sa ating base. And ito, papalaman na natin. I promise you, sobrang bango nito. For now, yung gagawin ko, bubuhos ko tong aking marinade inside the cavity. And everything will come together. Pwede mo tong i-oven, sabay-sabay ilang piraso. And we will leave that for a few hours, better overnight. Ang ating sweetness dito galing sa pineapple juice, hindi tayo nagdagdag ng sugar. The pineapple juice will also give a nice flavor and tenderize our chicken. O, di ba? Kumapit na yung ating annatto oil. And of course, ang lasa nito, pumasok na sa chicken meats. Ready natin yung ating air fryer para i-seal natin yung ating chicken. Ito, di ba? May laman siya para hindi siya matapon. Meron tayong foil dito. I-roll ko lang siya. Parang gagawin ko siyang lubid. And ito na yung pangtali natin sa ating chicken legs. Cross. Ganyan. Para hindi na tayo mahirapan. Just twist. Cure na yung ating chicken legs together. Simple trick, simple hack. And alam natin, sobrang bango nito, no? We have a lot of aromatics stuffed into our chicken. Yan. And etong ating extra juices, ito, we will brush our chicken later on. Lalagyan natin sa loob. Tuck the wings para hindi masunog yung wing tips. But before we cook our chicken, tatakpan muna natin, no? Because ang init ng air fryer nanggagaling lang sa taas, di ba? So we want that to cover our chicken and we will cook our chicken. Etong ating air fryer, 30 minutes lang kasi siya. Pero it will take around 1 hour or 1 hour 10 minutes para makook yung ating chicken. So una, we will cook it for around 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Nakatakip yung ating chicken. para hindi masunog yung top. After 30 minutes, balik naman natin yung timer to another 30 minutes and we will begin to brush and baste our chicken para maging very nice, very shiny, and very juicy pa rin. And gagawa din tayo ng Java rice to go along with our lechon manok. We're adding our annatto oil to give our rice a nice orange color. Gigisa natin yung ating garlic. Slowly cooking, hindi pa uminit yung oil natin. Ilagay na natin yung ating garlic so we get as much of the garlic flavor as possible. Now we're adding butter or margarine. I'm using butter today. Lalagyan ko din ng ating bigas. Rinse rice. We'll add a bit of turmeric powder, like maybe like half a teaspoon or 1/4 teaspoon, not too much. Season with salt, very important. To season with salt. And para may linamnam yung ating rice, we're adding a pack of Maggi Magic Sarap, sprinkle over our rice. All we have to do now is add our water. So normal na saing na lang yung gagawin natin dito. Pag kumulo ito, papahinaan lang natin, stir, and in na lang. While waiting for our chicken and our rice to cook, gagawa tayo ng masarap na sausawan. Masarap pag maraming sibuyas. Garlic, ito, bawang, ito masarap talaga. Okay, add chili. I will season my garlic, onions, and chilies with a bit of salt. And I will just dice a bit of cucumbers. Ito. So, ang gagawin natin dito, parang salsa yung dating ng ating sausawan, no? Again, I will just mince, no? Add a bit of calamansi for some citrus notes. Eto, sugar just to balance. Suka. Soy sauce. And Maggi Sabor. Ito, malinamnam na masarap yung ating sausawan. Yan. So, ito around 4 tablespoons of Maggi Sabor. Classic lang yung gamit natin. Black pepper. So, do this ahead of time para lalong sumarap ito. In na yung ating rice. Look at that. So, ito, konting luto na lang siya. Beautiful color. We will scoop it out. Ito. I-fluff lang natin yung ating kanin, no? Para hindi siya maging parang puto. Aerate natin para may room yung rice na umalsa pa para maging light and fluffy. In na lang to, and in a short while, everything will be ready. Now, check natin yung ating manok. This time, we will remove the foil. So, that is already half cooked. And now, ang ating mga marinade, excess marinade, we will just brush. No? You want to brush everything. Keep it nice and glossy and masarap. And itong excess natin na marinade, bubuhusan natin yan lahat. Dahil this will collect all the drippings para masarap yung ating sauce, no? Set naman natin ng 30 minutes again and wait until it's done. In between, sisilipin natin na hindi masunog yung top. And look at that. Ang ganda ng ating Java rice. Now, let's plate. Ito, family style, di ba? Parang boodle lang yung peg natin. So if you have banana leaves, you can make a bed of banana leaves for this to serve on. We will make like a well in the middle. Cook in the air fryer. Eto, kailangan mo lang mamaster talaga yung sarili mong air fryer kasi different air fryers work differently. Oh my God, napakabango at napakaganda ng ating lechong manok and a bit of spring onions. Yan, ang lasa. All the flavors of the chicken and our stuffing are here. Oh my, look at that. Di ka ba natatakam? Our sausawan is there. At ganito, kumain ng lechon manok. Ah, perfect. Look at that. Ah, juicy. Woo! Ganyan kumain ng lechon manok. Saw and subo. Ang sarap. Pero seryoso, ang sarap ng ating lechon manok. Nandito yung lasa lahat. Powerful flavor. Pinoy na Pinoy yung lasa. Itong recipe na to, pwedeng pang pamilya, but for today, akin lang to. Bye!